A very good morning, my dear students. I hope that you all are good and taking good care of yours. Myself Vicky sir, and I am going to teach you computer subject.
So today's session we start with a new chapter. Here the name of our new chapter is using a keyboard. We know that keyboard is an input device. Why keyboard is an input device? Because it is used for entering the data into a computer. Right, it is also used for typing, entering letter and a number in a computer. So we know that there is a lots of keys are present in a keyboard, but we must be want to know how these keys are working. But so in this session we will cover different types of keys with their functions. Okay, so first QWERTY keyboard. The letters on the keyboard are unorganized. Yes, we know that in a keyboard the letters are not organized in a perfect manner. It is not organized in just like a alphabetic order as like A B C D, but it is our unorganized formation. Unorganized formation means it is started with QWERTY in this format. Because of it is started with this QWERTY formation, it is called a QWERTY keyboard. So the keyboard used by us are known as QWERTY keyboard. We know that as the arrangement of letter in the first row of keyboard is it in the order, right? This arrangement of letter is similar to the one found of the typewriters. Yes, this arrangement of QWERTY keyboard is similar look like as a typewriter, and mainly typewriter is used in a earlier time, and also it is also used in a current time also, right? Now here is types of keys. Keyboard have a lots of keys, right? Keyboard has a lots of keys. In this case they have a varieties functions and they also have a variety uses. Okay, so here we discuss in detail about this all types of keys. First one is alphabet keys, then second one is number keys, then cursor control keys, functions keys, and last one is special keys. So here we started with the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a computer keyboard. We know that here in alphabets, here A to Z, there are 26 characters. These keys are marked with letter A to Z. This all the character we started from the alphabet A and ending with the alphabet Z. If you want to write something on a computer, so we will must be done with the help of this keyboard by using this alphabet keys. Okay, so here the alphabet keys are in a green color. You must be see in this picture. Now the second one is number keys. Numbers keys, some keys are numbered to 0 to 9 written on them. These keys are called number keys. Yes, the keys which have started with the number 1 to 0, this all the keys are called number keys. These keys are in a red in color, which is so in this picture. A keyboard has two sets of number keys. Yes, it has two sets of number keys. One set of number keys are on a above of alphabet keys, and the second set of number key are present in the right side corner of a keyboard. Here this second set of key is called a numeric keypad, and here the above of alphabetic key, these number keys are called a number key. Okay, this is the two sets of number key. First one is on a above of alphabet key, and second one is on a right corner of a keyboard. Okay, here the third one is a cursor control key. Cursor control means the keys which control the system of computer, right? So system of computer, a special symbol that is a small blinking lines that show where the next letter or symbol will appear on the computer screen is known as a cursor. Cursors means whatever we write with the help of keyboard, so on a computer screen we will see a one line that can be always be blinking. It is so the where the next letter or symbol will be appeared, right? You can see in this picture here in this format, you can change the position of cursor by 4 keys that have arrows on them. Yes, so we change this cursor position. We can change this cursor position with the help of these 4 keys, and these keys are also called arrow keys. Why it is called arrow keys? Because it is so the arrow of cursor and mouse is did not connected with our computer, right? So control keys are also known as direction keys or arrow keys, because it is show a direction to a cursor and also show a arrow on a computer display. That's why it is also called a direction keys and arrow keys. So the later keys we will discuss in the next session. till now you must be read this all type of keys and also draw the picture of this different type of keys, alphabet keys, number keys and cursor key into your computer notebook. Okay, bye bye, take care.